Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to change the app icon for your application. This is going to handle the Android side. I've got a separate video covering the iOS side of the icon. So what you want to do is create a folder called assets. So you just right click your project, go to new directory, type it in there, click OK. I've already got it done, so I'm not going to click OK. And in assets, put your icon file. Mine's called icon.png, and it's literally just a YouTube icon. That's just what I got off the internet. And if I go to assets, there we go. So that's what we're gonna replace our default Flutter icon with. So what you want to do now is go to your pubspec.yaml file in here, and under dev dependencies, you want to add a package dependency, and this is Flutter underscore launcher underscore icons, and the latest version as of creating this video 0.7.0. If you want to know more about where you can find the latest version, go to pub.dartlang.org/packages, search for the package in here, and the package is Flutter underscore launcher underscore icons, and click on that, and that is the latest version, and you can just copy this code as well. Okay, so now what we want to do is next we need to actually specify the Flutter icons. So we do Flutter underscore icons, and we are going to put image underscore path, and the path that I am going to specify is going to be assets / icon.png, or whatever the path is, and then we can say iOS : true, so just say we're going to use it, and for Android : true as well. If you want separate image paths for iOS and Android, you could have underscore iOS and another one for image underscore path underscore Android, and then specify different icons, but I'm happy with a single icon. Now at this stage, what you want to do is click packages get. This should only take a few seconds. Okay, with that done, what we need to actually do is open up terminal or command prompt, whatever you've been using, and change directory to your Flutter application. Now you want to run Flutter packages pub run Flutter underscore launcher underscore icons :main, and this will just generate the files necessary for the Android side of it. Okay, and iOS as well, to be fair. Okay, the next thing that we want to do is go to Android, right click it, go to new image asset. From here you just need to select your image. Generally speaking, you'll have a foreground and a background. The foreground will be this little white play icon, the background will be the red. I've just specified the same for both, so just do that. And once you've done, you just specify here, make sure everything else is the same. Click next. That's fine, it's going to override everything because I've already done this process. Yours will probably only come with a few red ones. Click finish, and now if we run our application, okay, so we just wait patiently for it to run. Okay, so it's built it, it's syncing it, and there we go. So if we go to the app menu, there we go, the Flutter app now has this new YouTube icon. So that is how you replace the icon for the Android side. The next video I'm going to cover the iOS side. If you have any questions about any of this or any other videos, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.